This is a recipe for tasty, juicy turkey burgers. I have about 3 pounds of ground turkey. You can use as much as you like, but I like to have some to freeze for quick weeknight meals. For 3 pounds of meat, I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, chopped red onion, minced garlic, about 3 tablespoons of chopped chipotle peppers, and then I'm taking 4 slices of frozen bacon directly from the freezer, and I'm using my kitchen shears to chop it. Using kitchen shears allows you to cut away some fat if you choose, but I'm going to leave most of it in this recipe. The bacon gives not only great flavor, but juiciness to the turkey. And then I have 3/4 cup of cooked quinoa. The quinoa not only has excellent nutritional value, but allows the turkey to retain its juices so you don't have a dry burger. You could alternatively use dried gluten-free breadcrumbs. Combine all of your ingredients and then mix it well. We're going to place these burgers over medium-high heat. Medium-high heat is where you can hold your hand about 3 inches above the grate and you have to pull it away before you get to 5. You'll see chicken in the center of the grill. I'm slow cooking the chicken over indirect heat, but the burgers are directly over the coals. Leave the burgers about 5 minutes. This, of course, will depend on the thickness of your burger. But you can see as your burgers cook, the edges will begin to brown. Turn the burgers and cook another 4 to 5 minutes or until the juices on top of the burger are clear. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please hit subscribe for more recipes that add variety and nutrition to your gluten-free diet.